Nude video title, everything gone wrong at Disney.
You win some, you lose some.
Welcome back to another crazy adventure! Woo! What is going on YouTube? My name is Braden Swope and this is my amazing girlfriend Penny. A few weeks back, I conquered one of my biggest fears at a water park. And now we're back at Disney. After completing my first feature film, which took years and years, most of my time is spent freelance editing, making TikToks about my movie experience, and just generally being very busy. And as Penny starts off her next year in art school, it's nice for us both to find some time to do stuff when we can. However, sometimes going to Disney does not go as well as you plan. Watch if you want to find out how to deal with one of our worst days in Disney history. Are you ready? Here we go. It was a wonderful Monday, right before the big California heat wave, and Penny and I were excited to head down to Disney and step away from the world. But did we get what our little hearts desired? What is going on, everybody? We're back. We're stuck in traffic trying to park. Now we're just going to the structure, biting the bullet, paying the $30 freaking price, and then we're gonna have some nice fun. Where are we eating?
Lamplight Lounge.
We're eating at the Lamplight Lounge tonight. Wow, here we go.
Yes.
Oh God, look how crowded it is. This is a Monday night at Disney.
Pirates is temporarily closed still.
Our life hack where we usually park near the park and then Uber to the entrance is definitely easier than just parking in the structure. We're sitting here in this garbage, but I hate it.
Sometimes it's not that bad, but today
It's always bad.
when I came by myself, it wasn't that bad.
What thing? Yo, Tesla.
I made eye contact with the Tesla person.
Come on, we got a vlog friend. She's like looking me up on YouTube, I bet. I bet his name is Braden Swope.
I'm gonna hit subscribe and ring that bell.
Ring that bell. On the street pranks. Hi, how you doing? $30. $1 for every day of the week. So if
What?
I mean every day of the month. Thank you. Have a good day. Go, 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 go. I told him to have a good day.
Now he's actually gonna have a good day, loser.
That'll be on me. I have not parked in this structure in forever.
It's okay, that guy is here to help us.
A lot of people say this is the ride before the rides.
Whee!
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Jeez.
It's very hard, even as a SoCal resident, to make Disneyland a casual thing when it took us, like, what, an hour plus to get here?
And we're not in there yet. We have to ride the tram and then walk through downtown Disney.
It's gonna be like a 90-minute trip to get from our home to Disneyland. We did it!
We did it. We got to one transportation to get to downtown Disney to get into the park.
Why is it so hard? You are so cute.
Yeah, pretend like you're having a good time.
So we're walking into Disney California Adventure, and it's all decorated for Halloween. I am a huge advocate for waiting for the holidays.
I'm ready for it.
Penny's super hyped for it, but I'm just like, we gotta wait. I want to go all in at the right time. We made it! Boogie Boogie's up there. He's just taunting me for the holiday season here. He's just looking right at me. Okay, we left the house at 5:45. It is now 7:15 and we've actually entered the park now. It took us an hour and a half to get here. I feel like I'm like upgraded in my skills of vlogging. The first time I was really nervous to speak in public. Welcome to California now. And now it's like,
Now you don't even
get on the
care.
train, subscribe. It's only had like 5 subscribers, but now the train has left the station.
We're basically pros.
Some may call us influencers. Others call us idiots.
We can be both.
Yeah, bro. Look at this. Get in this vlog, man. This is my biggest fan right here. What's your name?
My name's Sunny.
This is Sunny, bro. He's my biggest fan. Thanks for being in the vlog, bro. Hey, man, appreciate it, man. We're gonna go get some food and then we're gonna ride Grizzly River Run. The bat's coming out of the tower. Isn't that awesome?
Whoa, I didn't know they did that. Oh my god, that's awesome.
I just wanna go for Halloween. Not yet. We gotta wait.
One of my favorite parts of California Adventure is the twinkly lights in these trees.
Grizzly's down?
Yeah. It might come back up. It's a water ride. Sometimes they
Grizzly
need
River runs down.
like
Okay,
visual,
Grizzly River
but-
runs down. We're hoping it comes back. That was like really the best plan I had
know,
for this
I'm
video.
just like,
But last time we didn't get to experience California Adventure at night. We head on over to Disneyland when it was nighttime, right?
yeah,
Be
we
pretty.
like to go to Galaxy's Edge at night usually, but today we thought we'd switch it up a little bit and ride Grizzly River Run, which is now down, so.
It's so pretty. I've always been a really big fan of Pixar Pier at night. It's so nice out here tonight. I'm so glad we came.
Haven't been in months.
I've always personally been a big fan of California Adventure over Disneyland.
Our childhood was when it was opening. It opened in 2001,
Exactly.
right?
And now I've just sort of fallen in love with it, so.
Um,
What?
I I asked them and they said they're full, so.
And there's no way to like spam the walk-up thing and get in? Like,
I already did it.
fail number 2 for real this time.
We gotta find something else to
Okay,
eat.
gotta go find other food. And I'm so hungry and all of our plans are failing, so.
The night where it
all went wrong.
So far we've done absolutely
We've done walking.
nothing.
And sometimes that happens though, you know? You gotta change your plans and you gotta be ready for it.
Grizzly's still down.
And our favorite ride is still down. All right, we settled for the Pacific Wharf Cafe. I've got a sandwich that's like, okay. It's like a prosciutto, salami, tomato thing. It's good. We're kind of stressed at this point. We're trying to make it work, and Penny's got napkins.
I got napkins.
We're back. There's Ant-Man. Ant-Man and I have some talking to do.
Okay, so in our Avengers campus vlog, if
Right
you
here.
remember, Ant-Man did not like Braden's joke that he made about crawling up into Thanos.
Did you ever consider, you know, crawling into Thanos? Was it ever considered? All right, Ant-Man has no comment.
And I was like, okay, I get it. It's kind of like a raunchy internet joke.
Oh,
But
I know what you're gonna
on
say.
the Disney Wish, you can look it up. They have the Ant-Man show, and Paul Rudd, Ant-Man, makes exactly the same joke.
I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't go in and kill Thanos in a really creative way.
So canonically, part of the Disney, look, they can talk about it, so he has no excuse.
No excuse. It is family friendly, proven by the cruise ship. Last time I was nice to you, this time it's gonna be like this. Now we're gonna go to Pim's Test Kitchen. A little bit of a callback.
So delicious. So hungry.
Okay, I'm not vlogging this again. You already know about the chicken sandwich. If you don't, go watch our other video on it. Really
Yes, this is
unique,
what we do.
special vlogs where every single time we go eat the same chicken sandwich.
I don't know what to tell you, it's the best thing on property. So the building right across the way from Pim's Test Kitchen and Avengers Campus has a big plane on top, and that's called the Avengers Quinjet. Back when they announced Avengers Campus, they said that it would be opening with a ride. It alluded to the fact that it would be kind of like scenes from like Avengers movies and stuff, but recently there was an investor call with Bob Chapek where he said that the Quinjet project was on hold.
What?
So who knows what'll happen with it, but the building is literally here, empty, taunting us.
We hate Bob Chapek. He's making my camera fall. Oh my god, Chapek. Okay, I'm continuing to have problems with my channel name because everyone wants to know what my YouTube channel is.
You guys have a YouTube channel?
We do, we just started it. It's my name, Braden Swope, but my name is kind of weird. It's hard to get people to search it.
A lot of people's channels are their names nowadays. Like we've gone away from like
No,
funny usernames.
I know.
I think it's that you're like self-conscious about it, but you shouldn't
Yeah.
be. I think you should just say, it's Braden Swope. My channel's name is Braden Swope. Because no one has the name Swope, so it's really iconic.
We saw someone in the car, remember at the beginning, and now they just subscribed to me when they found me again in the park. How cute is that?
It's adorable. We made a little Tesla friend.
Tesla friend, yeah, probably way richer than we'll ever be.
There's a hidden dance party in here.
Hidden dance party. Okay, it's not a dance party. We're making it a dance party. Yeah!
Let's do it.
Enjoy your flight.
Love it so much.
We are going on yet another childhood classic, Soarin' Over the World. Well, it's not actually a childhood classic.
It was Soarin' Over California here and in Florida. They changed it to Soarin' Around the World over there and then decided to revamp it here as well.
So they had Soarin' Over California in Florida? That would make more sense, because it's like
Because
going to California. And here it's like, I'm already in California.
that was the whole complaint with California Adventure as a whole when it opened. They're like,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
literally in California.
I always liked it.
The OG.
Middle. This is the best seat, isn't it?
Yes, you want the middle seat or else the Eiffel Tower will be the bendy tower.
Here we go. Pro quality, GoPro quality. Okay, I'm scared again. Oh, it smells so good. That was a success. What do you rate it?
An 8 out of 10.
I still prefer Soarin' over California.
That's a 10 out of 10.
That's a 10. The night might be saved. Sorry to film this on the GoPro, but wait, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, so we're going on Grizzly River Run after all. I'm glad we're doing it.
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Not kidding.
You're kidding me.
Not kidding.
So even though our plans were canceled for Grizzly River Run, another failure for the day, we got to witness the end of World of Color. Oh, there it is! There it is. Wait, stay here for a second. Come here. Let's go. Let's go. Now we gotta run for the people. Look, the swarm is coming. I've seen it maybe twice in my life, honestly.
We really want to bite the bullet and buy a lightning lane one of these days to get a really good seat for it. Well, I mean, I guess you don't have to, but I think that's how you guarantee, like, actually being able to see the full view of it.
Okay, we were gonna go on Grizzly River Run. It is now closed. It's very sad.
Evacuated everyone.
Yeah, I
Look.
think it was evacuated.
Oh my gosh. We have to come back.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Look, Grizzly Bear is holding a pumpkin.
Aww.
That's so cute.
That's a wrap on California Adventure. This is pure chaos out here. Thank you so much. Oh, look how sad. It's all closed and stuff. Good. Perfect for the transition trip from summer to fall.
Well, you're gonna have to avert your eyes from the large Mickey pumpkin.
I see no pumpkin, hear no pumpkin. It's not time yet. By the time this video comes out though, it's totally gonna be full fall.
I know, right?
For those watching, you can embrace it, but not me. All right, let's talk about this, because generally it's just like one of those days, right? You can go on vacation, you can do whatever you want, but sometimes things don't really work out the way you want to. I've never vlogged before, and I've never taken people on all my adventures with me, so who knew what was gonna happen. It's also really interesting getting used to speaking in public. I'm getting better at it, but like I said, this channel is an experiment. It's testing things out, finding an audience, trying out some videos, and so far it's going pretty good. So we're here and we're in Disneyland and Tomorrowland right now. So Penny's going to get a t-shirt because she's super overheated. Hopefully we're gonna turn this night around, have a fun grand finale. Either way, you guys will be right there by our sides, and it's been so fun so far. We are pushing through the pain of having fun at a theme park, and we're going to Autopia.
I bought a shirt.
She did it, got a People Mover shirt, super cute.
My third People Mover shirt, and now I'm 3.
Penny, you gonna drive?
I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna do such a good job.
We'll see about that.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good. Dun, 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 dun. Make it work.
Disneyland is a great idea. Highly recommend it.
I haven't ridden this in whatever, like 2016.
Really?
Can't wait.
Candy Crush is very Autopia.
Gotta play Candy Crush on Autopia. I was trying. Are you ready to see the Honda robot? Honda robot! Ready?
No, no bumping. No bumping.
Is that more fun?
No.
Always get the back undone around. If you're in the front, the train still has to get propelled up the hill, so you don't get to experience the full hill.
Oh my God! Oh, it's not done? Oh, it's not done! That one's always more intense than I think it is.
I know, right? Jeez.
And I'm so tired. At the beginning, I was like, I don't have the oxygen to scream on this ride. I'm out. Okay, I hope I have my hat. I think I might have left it. Well, you didn't think we were getting out of this without one final big L, big loss.
As they call it.
I was getting to Autopia. You can see in the footage that before I get on the ride, I have my hat on, a very special hat. After the ride, there's no hat, see? I'm right here, I'm after the ride.
He's hatless.
I'm hatless. And as we know from previous vlogs, I like my hat.
And we don't know who he is without his hat.
Yeah, exactly. Sadly, I will be having to lose the hat. I hate it. I hate it, but it's gonna have to happen.
I don't even know who you are.
I guess I put it in the cart and forgot it. I even checked. I was like, I know I'm forgetting something. So we're gonna go back to Autopia to check. If it's not there, then this will be the most ultimate cursed day at Disneyland in all of history.
Yes, so we do have a lost and found. Anything that's found, we do take it over there.
Okay. I want my hat. I like that hat.
If you're just walking around, I feel like it's less likely that if you like drop a hat, someone will pick it up. But on a ride, someone will be like, oh, look, this hat
That's
in here
true.
on my seat.
Hopefully no one copped a letterbox hat for themselves.
Yeah, I lost my hat earlier. It's like a dark blue.
Did it have a logo on it?
Yeah, like it's like blue, orange. Okay, thank you.
We're waiting.
She has a hat.
She has a hat. Are you
She
serious?
has a hat. It looks like a dark
We're
blue
about to
hat.
find out. Yes! Thank you. You saved my night here. Have a good night. There is hope left in the world. Oh, we saved this day. I'm so glad. This is a gift from Penny. I couldn't have lost it.
Yeah, it's too special. It's a very special hat.
Oh, the hat's back, baby.
Yes, so it was a success. successful day.
It was a
at
successful day.
Disneyland.
This shows that all failures can become successes if you just believe. Wow, Disney magic right there. Turns out it's not my hat.
It's like, oh.
We have had quite the day here at Disney.
Sometimes it's not so glamorous.
This was an amazing transition into the holiday season here.
Can't
Just
wait.
kind of dipping the toes into the pumpkins. Don't eat
Right
those.
into the- You win some, you lose some.
We're gonna go home. Hopefully next time will be full of just pure, beautiful successes.
Oh, it will. Lots of fall treats, Halloween
Yes.
stuff, spooky times.
I think I cursed it. I'm thinking that by saying that I wasn't ready for Halloween, the
Yeah.
gods of Disney were just like, okay, ready to have a terrible time then?
If you can't embrace the Halloween and the decorations,
Then what's the point? But next time we will welcome it with open arms. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be going on a lot of adventures this fall. You've got no idea what's coming next, nor do we.
nor do we. Don't tell them that.
We're gonna go to bed.